I mentioned I've got a lot of bits and pieces I will need to get rid of. Some people might be interested in stuff. I'm just going to have a quick walk around and show you what I've got. These are exhaust pipes off. These will fit a Series 1 or a Series 2A diesel, maybe a Series 3 diesel. They're alright. I've got some hoop frames, I've got lots of those, all in sections, but believe me, I haven't got a full kit. I've got series stuff. There's a heater, I think that's out of a 109. Lucas regulator box, I think I've got a brand new one of those somewhere. Spoke steering wheels, grill, unbroken grill, needs a bit of a paint, but that's from a Series 3. 2A grill, Red X can, I bet that's worth a bit of money. There's a cross member there, a removable cross member off a 109. Shield off a Series 2A, Series 3. What else have we got here? This is Defender stuff. Oh. Bits and pieces. We've got a nice grill there, there's a wheel cover, but there's a chunk missing out of it. Pintle hooks for ex-army stuff. Fire extinguisher bracket. Might have to use that cover there. Right hand drive vents. Odd lights. Mud flaps for the front. There's a cross member there that's been sandblasted but left, it just wants another sandblast. Some covers there. Now I'm not sure, I think they're off a 2.5 naturally aspirated, but I'm not sure about that one at the top there. I'm not sure what that one's off. Here we've got some seatbelt supports off a Defender 110 with the four inward facing rear seats. They've all been sandblasted and painted. Pub chair bases. I've got a lot of these, I've got 4 of them actually, inside middle section headliners. I haven't got the front to the back, so I've got the middle. This one's got a bit of mildew on it, but we'll put a bit of spray on it and give it a wipe with the cloth, and it comes up really nice, look. There are some better ones in here. You know, look at these. They're all like new. These are genuine Land Rover ones. They're not aftermarket ones. Inward facing rear seats. They're in Moorland trim. That one's not so good, but it's got a frame. But you see that the difference in the length? This one's off a 12-seater and this one's off a 9-seater. There's 2 matchings for a 9-seater, but it hasn't got the frame. There's the other one for a 12-seater, but it hasn't got the bases. Cheap as chips. Down there, I'm not sure if that's a 2.5 or a 2.25. 8-to-1 cylinder head off a petrol Land Rover. Various prop shafts. The centre one's off a 109 rear. They were quite rare with the Salisbury axle. Ooh, what else have we got? Ooh, this is interesting. See here, this is off a Sankey trailer. This is a, what's it called now? It's the trailer hitch, look. It's a complete one. It's a brand new one. I bet that was expensive to buy. Here, well, oh, there's a right-hand drive plastic grill, but they're not too expensive new. Number plates, loads and loads and loads of number plates. Door top galvanised piece. Boxes of seat belts. There's a very nice Series 3 front cover that goes underneath the for the front of the radiator. One galvanised bumperette. The stirrup pump's not for sale because that's off my bicycle. Bits and pieces of trims. What else have we got? Oh, there's some old bloody Disco 2 stuff there. Not really worth much. Yeah, there's all manner and means of stuff. Just have a look around. But I'll put some of it on eBay over winter. Oh, this is what I was going to show you. This is predominantly for people in North America. Left-hand drive drop arms for Defenders. I have boxes of them. They're all bear mark ones. They fit quite well. I've fitted loads of those. These down here, this is quite interesting. These are timing chain tensioners, the modern version for 2.5 petrol engines. Now I'm not sure if they'll fit a 2 1/4 petrol because I haven't got one. But knowing Land Rover, which I do, I don't think they've altered the block, but they altered the old timing chain for something a little bit more modern. And as you can see, I've got a box full of them. Not only that, 24 spline front drive shafts for series vehicles. I've got quite a few of those. I'm not sure what the part number is on them. Can't see the part number on that one. But I've got a lot of them. See if I can find one with the part number on. No. Anyway, the 24 spline ones, and the rest are all timing chains and stuff like that. Just make me an offer. The drop arms, I get through quite a few of those. I'd like to keep one or two, but make me an offer if you want something like that. Yeah, there's bits and pieces all over. I haven't really got into stuff yet because I've just moved it here yesterday. But if you can see anything you're interested in, let me know. The door tops aren't for sale because they're off my Series 1. Air conditioning units. These are brand new left-hand drive air conditioning units made in South Africa. Probably can see the part number on there. They do work. All you need is all the rest of the bits, the compressor and the condenser and the piping, and away you go. Yeah, so there you go. If you can see anything you're interested in, let me know. It's not going to go for scrap, or it's going to go for storage, but the less I have to put away, the better. Alright, that's it.